Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 140. Let's start with this column here. Looks like we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 7. A 5 here, so 2, 7, up, and a 5 and 7 there. So this is our 2, that makes this our 7 and our 5. To finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're missing a 6. For this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 8, 2. For this column, we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here and an 8 here, so this is our 1. That 8 makes this our 5, and this is our 8. For this row now, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 7. I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 8. Got an 8 here, so 2, 8. If we look at this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so 7. No other help, so 5, 6, 5, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, 1 here, so 5, 9, and a 5 and 9 here. So this is our 1, that makes this our 5 and our 9. For this box then, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here, so this is our 2. That 1 makes this our 4 and our 1. For this column now, looks like we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 6, and that 2 there, so that means that our 2 has to be here. For this row then, we're missing 6 and 7. We don't have any help. So 6, 7. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 5 there, so 6, 8. 6 and 8 there, so this is our 5. 8 there makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 7, and this our 5. That 5 makes this our 6, 5, and that 6 makes this our 7, 6. So for this box then, we're missing a 1, and for this box we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 there, so 6 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.